My trip to the future. My friends and I planned on the what we will do in the last week of December, and it was decided to travel to Cartagena of Indias. We will be in Cartagena from Sunday the 26th to Wednesday the 29th of December. We will stay at the Abetsi Suites Hotel for 4 days and 3 nights. We will take of bay plane from Bogota to Cartagena, all for a cost of 520,000 pesos. On the first day in the city, we will visit the Boca Grande beaches. On the second day, we will go to the Bowl Market in the morning, and in the afternoon, we will taste the sweet jam, a typical dish in the city. On the third day, we will go to the clock tower, the watchtower. From there, we will watch the sunset, and then we will eat the cheese naked, another typical dish. On the fourth and last day, we will visit White, White Beach and go to look for our flight the return home.